Good morning, students. Welcome to your online mathematics class. So I hope you have solved yesterday's question, and today we will try more questions and concepts will be more clear. Alright, students. So you can clearly see we exercise 5.2 of Ncert I am starting, though we have already finished few questions in class. Since students had some doubts, so I will be solving more questions. Question number 2 I had explained, question number 3 was done, question number 4. Okay, so I will explain from question 4 and you should try and solve these questions, repeat them again and then try solving another questions. Okay, so question number 4. Question number 4 says, which term of the AP, can you see students, I hope my audio and video is clear, which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? Alright, so this is the question. Okay. So here it is. Which term? Okay, so we'll solve this. Which term of an AP 3, 8, 13, 18 dash dash is 78? So question is asking which term. Okay, which term of the AP? So AP is already given to us. So what is the first term? As already explained, students, the first term is A. So you can clearly see in this the first term is 3. Alright, so first term, that is A is equal to 3. We already know, right? What is D? So D I had already told that common difference. How do we calculate? By subtracting from the previous term. So 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. For that matter, you take any term and subtract, it will be same. So 13 minus 8 is again 5, right? 18 minus 13 is again 5. So the value of D will be same, because only then this will be an AP, as I explained yesterday. Okay, so only then it will be an AP. Now question is saying which term. Question is saying we have to find which term. So as we know the formula, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, right? So what is the value of A? It is 3, right? N, we don't know, we have to find minus 1 into D. What is the value of D, students? 5. And what is AN? This is AN, the last term, which is given to us, which is how much? 78. So I'm writing this equation. Okay, let me change the ink so it will be easy for you to differentiate. So I'll take red ink. Okay, so 78 is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So we'll start solving. 78 minus 3 is equal to N minus 1 within this bracket 5. Okay, so 78 minus 3 is how much, students? 75. So 75 is equal to N minus 1 into 5. So this will be 75 divided by 5 is equal to N minus 1. So 5 ones are 5, right? 2 is left. 5 5s are 25 is equal to N minus 1. So this implies value of N is equal to what? Minus will become plus 1. That is 16, which is the answer. So question is saying which term. So what is the term, students? That is 16th is the term. Okay, so we can verify this also. How will we verify this? So if I substitute these values back, okay, how to verify? So you should know this also. How to verify, how to check whether our answer is right or wrong. So we know the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. What is the value of A, students? 3 plus, right? What we have calculated in as 16. So what will be the value of N minus 1? 15. What is the value of D? 5. So 3 plus 15 into 5, 5 as a 25 close to 75. So 75, right? Plus 3 is equal to 78. So AN is equal to 78. So our answer is correct. So we have verified this also. How? See, the AN values here, it is same. So this means what we have solved this, it is correct, because we are getting same AN. If our N had been something else, then this value of AN would have been changed, which means the answer is wrong. So in this phase, student, you should know how to solve the question correctly with proper steps and sequence, and at the same time you should be able to solve them and verify. I hope it is clear. Okay, so we'll proceed to next question. I hope everything is clear. Alright students, so we'll start with next question. Okay, now see question number 7. Find the 31st term. So you can see clearly, find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So I had explained students already. So an is equal to a plus an. I am writing, okay, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So directly you should be able to solve. A 31st term means what? A31 is equal to a plus 30d. Everybody is clear, because 30 minus 1 is equal to 30, right? So it is saying find the 31st term. So we have to find this, right? So I'm giving you a hint. I'll solve more questions. Whose 11th term? So 11th term means what, students? A11, which is equal to a plus 10d, is how much? 38. And 16th term. So 16th term means what, students? A plus 15th d, which is how much? 73. So we will solve these equations 1 and 2. We'll get the value of a and d and substitute here. We'll get the answer. So you can try, students. I'm giving you a hint. It is easy for you. Same with this, you can solve 8th. See question number 9th. Okay. If the 3rd and 9th term of an AP are this, it is given to us respectively. Question is asking which term, okay, which term, whether it is 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 25th, 26th, we don't know, we will solve. Which term of this AP is 0? Alright, so we'll solve question number 7, student. Okay, I'll solve, question number 9. I'll solve the question number 9. Okay, so let me change the ink. Which color do you like? Okay, we'll take purple. Okay, now see question number 9. In this it is saying if the 3rd term, so first formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now 3rd term means in place of n you will write 3. N is equal to 3. A plus 3 minus 1 d. So this is a plus 2d. Now you should be able to solve this directly, student, when it is saying 3rd term. So 3rd term means a plus 2d, right? Now it is saying 9th term. So if the 3rd term and 9th term of an AP are given, so 3rd term is given to us as 4th and 9th term. So what do you mean by 9th term? A9 is equal to a plus 8d is how much? Minus 8. So now we'll solve this question. Is saying which term of this AP is 0. So we have to check which term will give us 0. So we have two equations now. A plus 2d is equal to 4 and a plus 8d is equal to minus 8. So we'll solve this. So changing the signs here, minus, this plus will become minus, this minus will become plus. So plus minus is minus, students. So minus 6d is equal to plus, and plus will give me plus, so 12. So what is the value of d? D is equal to 12 divided by minus 6, which is equal to minus 2. So d is equal to minus 2. So we have got the value of d. We will substitute back here. We'll get the value of a. So let me change ink, so it will be easy for you to differentiate. That we solved till this part here. Now a plus 2 into d. What is the value of d, students? Minus 2 is equal to 4. So a will minus 4 is equal to 4. So what is the value of a? Minus 4 will become plus 4. So this is 8. So this is the value of a. Now we have got the value of a. We have got the value of d. So we can make an AP now. So first term is 8, right? Another important thing, remember, students, whenever you will get the value of d as negative, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, whatever it is, this means the AP will go in decreasing form. Okay, it will be in decreasing order. So if first term is 8, so second term will be 6, right? Because 6 minus 8 will give me minus 2. I hope you are getting it. I'm repeating again. Whenever you will get the value of d, common difference, as negative, the AP will be in decreasing form. Alright, so 8, 6. So what is the next? Subtract this, and then you will get 4, then you will get 2, and then you will get 0. Right? So see, 6 minus 8 is how much? Minus 2. It is not 2. right? 4 minus 6, 6 minus 8 is equal to minus 2, right? 4 minus 6 is equal to minus 2, right? So we have got this as an AP. This is the AP which we have got. Now question is not saying find the AP, question is asking which term of the AP. So you can clearly see, students, this is first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is fourth term, so this is fifth. So fifth term of an AP is 0. Are you getting it? Okay, very simple. Otherwise you can use the formula also. So let me changing, it will be easy for you to differentiate them. Okay, we'll take this blue. Okay, so we know an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, right? Question is saying which term of an AP is 0. So what is the value of an? 0. What is the value of a? The value of a is 8, and we have to calculate minus 1 into d. What is the value of d? Minus 2, right? So this will become here minus. Okay, so this will become minus. So here it will become minus 8, right, is equal to n minus 1 into minus 2. So this minus and minus cancelled. So this will become 4 is equal to n minus 1. So minus 1 will go that side, will become plus. So n is equal to 5. So ultimately you get same answer. So this is the beauty of maths. You can solve question by different methods. So I've told by both methods. Either you take directly the AP, then also you get the fifth term as 0. Can you see here clearly? Or if you solve by the formula, then also you'll get n is equal to 5, which is the fifth term. I hope, students, it is clear. Okay, all the steps are clear, working is clear. So in this way you will solve other questions. So assignment for you is that using these questions, repeat these questions at least twice or thrice, then proceed to next questions. Alright, so you should try at least 4 to 5 questions. Alright, so you should try 4 to 5 questions, and then tomorrow we will solve more questions. Alright, students, so in this way you can solve more questions using this formula and the concept which I have explained. Okay, students, so thank you for your attention. Be disciplined, study well, and be good students. Okay.